Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. Today's video we're going to be looking at taking the stereo head unit out of an E46. Alright, so the project for today, we're going to be removing this stereo head unit here and hopefully installing this original back in. I got to clean it up yet, but that is the original head unit for the car, or an original. The car came originally with the hardened carbon system, and I want to get it back to original, so we're going to be taking this Kenwood out, and process should be the same either way. So we're going to start, we need this piece of veneer off to get to the screws under here, but this piece of veneer is under this piece here. So we got to take this one out over the glove box first, which gives us access to this one out, and that should give us access to the screws under here, and we can start to get this head unit out. Okay, so you're going to need the plastic trim removal tools to get this veneer off, especially if you don't want to do any damage to it. Veneer or whatever type of trim you have here, whether it's aluminum, black, or the veneer, it's the same basic process. There are pins molded in here, and I think they're here somewhere. I can't recall if there's one here, and they go in sort of horizontal, so you got to kind of get it to move out, not up, move out, and it's just a matter of slowly working it out. They're kind of a friction grip, those pins. So I've been working on this here. You could just hear it start to let go there. There we go. There we go. Okay, so you can see there are 4 places where the pins here go in. The last one is the one that sandwiches this here. So once we've done that, we can now get this piece of veneer off. Okay, now we're going to start. This one just held in with 1 pin at the other side there, which is easy to get out usually. There we go. Okay, well, it came out with the pin and the clip that time. Okay, so you've got the 2 pieces of veneer out of the way now. Now you can see there's a screw here and a screw here. In my case, it's holding the filler plate in. In the case of the original, it'll be holding the actual stereo head unit in. So we'll take those 2 Phillips screws out and we'll see what we can get at back here. Okay, so I have the 2 screws out. In my case, I'm taking this faceplate off now. If it was the OE unit, you'd just be removing the entire unit out here. So I'm just going to slip that out of the way. And there's the Kenwood deck to come out. Hard to do with one hand here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to have a check at the back here. The wiring, which I'm hoping is not hacked. It doesn't look to be, which is excellent. And I'm going to try and plug the old one in and then see if it actually works. Okay, so I have the stereo out of the car. Unfortunately, in my case, they did a bit of hacking there, trying to get the wiring done. They didn't just buy one of those adapters that plugs directly into the original OE plug, and then on the other end is a plug suitable for the new stereo unit. They actually sort of cut some stuff and move some stuff around. So I think I'm, at this point, until I can figure out that wiring a little better, I'm just going to put the Kenwood back in and put up with the disco light effect it seems to have. But I thought I'd just show you quickly what the back of the original stereo unit looks like, so you know what you'd be unplugging when you slide it out. Okay, so this is an original BMW business CD stereo head unit. So what you'll have a big plug that does all these large pins here and then does this here as well. So there's one big plug that'll go in here. Your antenna will plug in here, and then there's the little pin that'll go in here like an aux in, and that's for the mic that sits up above the mirror. So that's what it looks like. It comes out, the two screws here and here, and then it will just slide out. Again, I'm going to try eventually to get that in the car, but at this point, I'm just, till I can deal with that wiring in a little more detail, I'm just going to put the Kenwood back in. Okay, so thanks for watching the video there. I hope it helped, and anyone trying to remove the stereo out of the E46, it's a pretty basic job. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. There's lots as I work on the E46. And everybody, you have a great day.